In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset your Instagram password if you've forgotten it, so let's jump into it. So the first thing we need to do is come off Instagram, because if you're already logged into your account, you want to stay logged in and you want to reset it elsewhere. So come off Instagram and open up a web browser. I'm going to open up Google Chrome here. Now what you need to do is head to instagram.com and just type in your username. You probably won't have your password autofill like mine. Click on Forgot Password, and it's then going to give you the option to enter in an email, a phone number, or the username. So I'm going to enter in my email now, and I'm going to get an email sent from Instagram to that email. So now I've entered my email and I've clicked Send Login Link. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to get an email from Instagram in around a minute, and which is going to give me instructions on how I can reset the password. So here is that email. Now, what you need to do is you need to copy the link to the reset password button, because if you click on it, the chances are it's probably going to just take you to Instagram. So hold down on the button, click copy URL, and then go back onto Chrome, paste it into the web browser here. And honestly, it's very simple now. All you need to do when it loads here is just enter in a new password. So you can see it now gives you the option to enter in a new password and confirm that password without ever knowing your previous password. So that's how you can do it. If that helped, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.